take control. I can feel the paradise before my warning close. And tonight has something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late night and I'm alone. Conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to worry, but I stare into space. And I know I'll lose control over the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way, oh no, I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. When the good times start, falling over everything to reach the first time spark. It started under neon lights and then it all got dark. Only you know how I got too far. My bad habits lead to late night and I'm alone. Conversations with a stranger I hardly know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space. And I know I'll lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way, oh no, I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. We took the long way round. It's back.
Lake Controller B4. So, the games room at Lake Conjola, Big 4. Look at this. Look at the awesome little play thing for Rami. And a KISS pinball machine. Nice.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes.
Hello, we're here at Mollymook, New South Wales at the moment. We're at this awesome park. You can see the slides behind me. Rami and Emily are jumping on the swings. Awesome. You can sort of see the view, a bit of the waves rolling in from the ocean over there. You can see a nice wave breaking over there. Beautiful little spot. Rami, what do you think of Mollymook? Whee!
We wouldn't have known about Mollymook if we didn't jump on Wiki Camps and have a look. We didn't know what was kind of around the area near Lake Conjola. So we just checked to see what was around and we saw this playground. Yeah, what?
I've been pretty busy trying to catch some flathead. Emily and I have been putting the rods out, just testing it out, seeing how we go. So far we haven't caught anything except a little fish. I think it was a bream or something like that. Bream. We'll showcase a photo of it so you can check it out. It was pretty big. You'll see how massive it was. Man, it's just beautiful here. New South Wales, look at the sun just shining down on us. It's awesome. Rami's off and running. Let him go. Go, go, go. Down the slide. Down the slide. I tell you, if you have kids, bring them here. They will love it. Go, Rami. Whee! Whee!
I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Burning cities and neon skies. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes.
I'll give you a good look at our setup now. The sun is shining and it's looking good. So we have a nice generous sized grass plot here, which is pretty nice. It's decently flat, a little bit of an angle, but it's not bad. Got our little barbecue there. This is it, lots of room to play. Still set up, working for the day.
Set up.
Ready for his meetings. And he's got some Play-Doh out.
Rami's off on his bike.
Got a little air fryer. And extra TV outside for when it's nice and sunny. I'll bye. Alright, bye. Bye-bye.
I've been walking through a world gone by.
Wow. Put it in your bucket. Look. Look. Rami, look. Chocolate? Chocolate? What's that? Open? Open!
We're back on the road. Here we go. We're leaving Culburra Beach, New South Wales right now. So we're on the road. Looks like we're estimated time of arrivals 2:22, and it is currently 10:37 a.m. in the morning, if you can't tell by the way. So we're on the road for 3 hours and 44 minutes. We've got 269 kilometres to go. Rami should be asleep in about 3 seconds, hopefully. And we'll get a coffee. Mama Bear needs a coffee. Alright, T-Dog out.
You never said where we're going.
We're going to Bedo Bay, New South Wales. Let's go. It's time to hit the road.
Yeah, so we're heading to Beto Bay, which is just above Sydney. So we've got about a 4-hour drive ahead of us. This is probably one of the longest drives we've had so far. We've been taking our time, so now we just want to smash out some long trips.
We want to get to Queensland. We want the warm weather.
Yeah.
Come on.
We're getting like 20-degree days, which is what we get in Tassie. We want that warm weather.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep. 'Cause they'd fill the open air and leave teardrops everywhere. You'd think me rude, but I would just stand and stare. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. 'Cause I'd get 1,000 hugs from 10,000 lightning bugs as they tried to teach me how to dance. A foxtrot above my head, a sock hop beneath my bed. A disco ball is just hanging by a thread.
Where are we off to today, Rami? Say big banana. Banana. What does Mum have for you? We're going to the big banana.
So I'm going to the big, what's this? Icy pole.
Is that an icy pole?
Icy pole to help Rami's teeth because they're hurt. They go ow. Yeah, hold it from there. Good boy. Say thank you.
Yummy. Good boy. We're going to the big banana, Coffs Harbour. Let's go.
Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. When I fall asleep,
stay awake when I'm asleep, because my dreams are bursting at the seams.